Hi guys, welcome back to the Techno YouTube channel. Today I will review one of the best speaker in this year. This is Tango D20. Want to know what this speaker looks like? Watch the video until end. Tango D20 has the best performance. This speaker has length 24 cm and weight 1 kg. Tango D20 has good specification and good sound quality because this speaker supports with power 20 watts. This speaker can be used for mono speaker or dual speaker. To use this speaker, there are two ways. The first one, use the USB cable to audio jack, and the second, use the Bluetooth application. It's easy. The D20 Tango is equipped with 2100 mAh battery capacity, which can be used for 4 hours with medium volume and 6 hours for low volume. With a long time, we use this speaker for outdoor or indoor activities, such as playing in the park or when traveling. Want you know the result of the sound from this speaker while in the door or outdoor? Let's hear. For you have activities in outside, these speakers are very easy to place anywhere. Having a magnetic component makes Tango D20 can be attached to objects made of metal, so that this speaker will still be able to use in any condition and situation. It's wow! This speaker can be used up to a distance of 10 meters outside of the room without an obstacle, and a distance of 5 meters for a place that has an obstacle. To charge the battery full, Tango G20 takes about 3 hours. One of the advantages of this speaker is that it can be used as a power bank, so we can charge our smartphone using this smart speaker. The output used is 5 volt, 2 ampere. which is the standard used by cell phone. So it will be safe. Tango D20 can be used as a recommendation for those of you who are looking for speakers with high performance and low price. This is video about OVEVO Tango D20 review. Look forward to our video review. See you guys, bye!